All right, it is that time of year again. We are getting into my summer EDC, my everyday carry, at least my tech everyday carry for summer 2026. Now, before we get started, all links to all products, if you guys are interested, as well as if I have a video for them, will be down in the description below, and any discount codes will be right there with the links for you guys to check out. Now, I'm a creature of habit, so some of these products do end up staying from previous EDCs into this one, but there are a few new products in this one that I've been carrying every day so far during summertime, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first things first, of course, we always have to have our phone. That is the biggest, the most kind of important thing that I carry every single day is my phone. And my main SIM is in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but I also do carry the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It does have its own dedicated phone number to it as well, so both of these phones are completely active and registered to a phone number. Now, my main SIM, like I said, is in the 17 Pro Max. This is because I'm in the Apple ecosystem. A lot of my friends, family, everybody basically has iPhones, so this kind of makes things easiest. However, I do still love my S26 Ultra. I love One UI 8. I think it's really good. This phone definitely has its own uses, and I carry them both. One stays in my bag, one stays in my pocket all the time. Sometimes they both go in my pockets, actually, if we're being honest. So I am using cases on both of these. Now, these are not sponsored by the brand. This is just kind of what I've been using back and forth lately. So starting off with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I've been on a really minimal kick of cases lately. This is just going to be the Pitaka Edge case in that California Dream colorway. Really been enjoying it. I love that Pitaka has the camera control button covered while it still works with no problems. Love that. So that's going to be what's on the iPhone. And then on the S26 Ultra, this has been living on here for a while now. This is going to be the Torras Q3 Air. I use the S26 Ultra a lot for media consumption. So this one, of course, has the stand that rotates 360 degrees. It can stick to other metal surfaces, which is nice. But primarily, I use it either like this or I use it like that. And that's the reason why this case has been on here so much. It's just because I use it a lot of the time for media consumption. And what better to do than have a case with a magnetic kickstand and a kickstand already built in. So that's kind of what has been on the phones lately. The iPhone case changes all the time, multiple times a day, but lately I've been gravitating towards the minimal ones. However, the S26 Ultra, the Torras Q3 Air kind of lives on that. Now, like I said, these are not sponsored, but if you're interested, I will leave the links to them down in the description below, but this is just what's kind of been living on the phones. Now, next up is a product that I carry every single day. I almost never leave the house without, and that's going to be my AirPods Pro 3. Now, this is going to be the ESR Orbit Hybrid case, and this is honestly my favorite case for the AirPods Pro 3. I love that it has MagSafe charging, so you can attach it. This isn't plugged in, but it'll magnetize to that. Love that. Number two, I love that it has magnets that enclose the AirPods themselves right here. So that way you are able to have a secure case and you know you can shake it and these will not come out. So I love that. It gives you the protection that you need while still keeping them kind of slim. Good grip all the way around. You can put some stickers on here if you want to. It will work with your Apple Watch charger, with your MagSafe charger, and of course all your ports open down there. Everything is nice and open. So this is honestly the case that lives on my AirPods year after year. I try other ones, but always end up gravitating back towards the ESR Orbit Hybrid because it's minimal, it has good grip, good protection, and it really does every single thing that I could possibly need an AirPods case to do. So I absolutely love this one and highly, highly recommend it. It's super cheap too. I think it's less than like 15 bucks. Totally recommend getting this case. Now, while we're talking about audio, moving the AirPods Pro 3 off to the side, we have the AirPods Max 2. And I know a lot of people say, why'd you waste your money on that? I actually sold my AirPods Max originally before the USB-C versions came out, thinking that AirPods Max 2 would be so great and legendary, all that. They weren't. The only change they made was USB-C, so I didn't end up buying them. So I sold my AirPods Max like over a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago. And now when they finally released the AirPods Max 2, I had to get them because I'm someone who travels a lot. I take a lot of flights, and these are a game changer. Now, the AirPods Pro 3 are excellent on flights. I used them when I didn't have AirPods Max, and they're fantastic. But something about over-ear headphones, of course, are going to sound a little better, a little more comfortable and all that. But this is the original Apple bra that comes with it. However, I do also have a little bit of an accessory on these. Now, I did get the midnight color, if you guys see that, but these are going to be the Latercase ear cups. These things look really, really cool, and I love them. I love how they have the cutouts. They're super slim. They still fit right into the Apple bra right here. Everything is great, and they give you this nice texture, this aramid fiber texture on here, while also protecting your ear cups, especially if they click together or anything. It's nice that it gives you the protection that you need for them, while also adding the carbon fiber. Unfortunately, Apple didn't give us real black ones, so this is the closest thing. They look really good. They function well. All of your cutouts and everything are perfect on here, so you don't get any interference with them. They slide on here super easily. It just clicks right on. There's no glue, no adhesive. You can take them off at any single time you want to, but I always like to leave these on because in case they click together, and it just looks cool, to be honest with you. But AirPods Max 2, I've actually really been enjoying them. You can tell the difference between AirPods Max and AirPods Max 2. I did try on a friend's original AirPods Max and compare these. You definitely can tell a slight bit of a difference. Is it worth the upgrade if you have their AirPods Max original ones? No, it's not. Unless you really have to upgrade or something's wrong with yours. Be honest with you, just keep yours. But I didn't have any more, so I had to get these. But yes, these live in the backpack. These are part of the everyday carry. Now, next up, we have my wallet. And this is going to be the brand new Moft Trackable wallet stand. So it's a 2-card wallet, which I'm someone who usually carries more than 2 cards. So this is kind of a summer, a basketball or exercise shorts, or if I'm out and about doing something, if I'm going fishing, if I'm going anything like that, I always bring a wallet like this. Number one, this has Find My tracking built in. It is live tracking, so if this moves, you can track it. I love that. I'm not going to show you the Find My app because it'll dox my address, where I live and all that, so we're not going to do that today. But it is going to have a button right here. You're going to click and hold that to pair it. It goes right into your Find My menu. Easy to pair up, and it is MagSafe charging. So what we can do is, let me actually bring over a USB Type-C cable here. We'll plug this in one of the few occasions this actually gets plugged in on my channel. But if you take that, give it a second, turn off, you attach those, and there you go. You even see a charging indicator light right there. That's how you charge it up. Takes not too long, but very easy to charge up, and the battery lasts multiple months. Very easy. So the better other features about this, though, is it acts as a stand. So let's go ahead and bring over my 17 Pro Max here. Number one, you can go ahead and pull this out, and you have a stand that holds your phone up just like this, if you guys can see that. Of course, you can take this and lay it down on its side to watch some content, or if you want to elevate the phone a little bit, if you're at a different angle, you just go ahead and set it just like that. It'll elevate your phone, and of course, you can use it in really any direction like this. You can even set it down this way to get a different angle, but here is your access to your cards. I'm not going to pull these out because these are my real credit card and my driver's license right here, but this is what you do. You can just kind of either pull this back to access them. It's very easy. That's how you kind of take them out, put it back in, or you can just flip this and you kind of see your card. I definitely need a new credit card here, but you can take it, pull it out. I'm not going to keep taking this out right there and showing you guys. But this has been the wallet that I've been using when I don't carry a full-on wallet with all my cards. I've really been enjoying this. Good MagSafe strength, lives very small, and like I said, I use this phone often to watch content, but if I don't have it, I can take this, set it up while I'm out somewhere doing something, or just keep it on the phone. If you don't want to lay your phone down like this or face down, it's nice to be able to, if you're sitting somewhere doing something, you can just kind of pull that out, set your phone up, and you are good to go. So this has been the MagSafe wallet of choice lately. This is what I've been using, the Moft Trackable wallet stand with Apple Find My. Now, next up, we have my keys. I don't have my car key fob attached here, but this is something that has been with me through multiple EDC videos. You guys have seen this on the channel, and that's for good reason. And that's why I haven't changed it yet, because of how much I love this. This is the Journey Locate key organizer. It is the leather one. They also have a couple of different other versions, and it has Find My built in. I'm not someone who likes to keep an AirTag on my keys. That's not usually something I do. This is all I have. I keep my car key fob right here and this. Now this is going to have all of my keys in it right here. You have my house key, you have my mailbox key, all these different keys right here, and of course Find My built in. So the way to charge it is, it has this proprietary charger. It just magnetizes it like a MagSafe charger right here. Takes only maybe an hour or two, but you get like 6 to 8 months of usage with this. I love it. It also has Find My tracking. It has live tracking, so if anybody carries away my keys, I can always find them. But as you guys can see, I mean, this thing has some wear on it already. I've been using this a lot, probably a little over a year now, and my keys live in it. I never take them out of here. Absolutely love this thing. I love having Find My tracking with my devices. Like you have, of course, your wallet, your keys, your AirPods, your phone, all those things. I like keeping all the most important things having Find My tracking, but I don't like having an AirTag wallet all the time or anything like that. So having these products that has it built in really makes it worth it. So yes, the Journey Locate Key Organizer has been living with my keys and will continue through summer 2026. Now let's say you don't want a MagSafe wallet that has a stand, you want just a stand for your phone, something that you can prop your phone up, but it's also multifunction. As you guys can see, a lot of my products that I use are multifunctional, and this next one is totally one of those as well. And this is gonna be the newest product that I have. This is gonna be the Aulumu G05 Pro. So what I love about this thing, first and foremost, is it's a good kickstand, right? You attach it here, there you go, it rotates 365 degrees. Just listen to how satisfying that is. Love that. Number one. Number two, it has some angle measurements here. It'll say 0, 90, 270 right here. And these are, you can kind of measure different angles like this, right? So you can go like this, boom, and as you see, it rotates every single time. These windows have different numbers in them. They're very small. Maybe you can see them like this. Very small, but can be useful, I guess, if you need. But that's not really something I use too much. Number one, this is gonna be a good kickstand, right? So you can really keep your phone in any angle that you want without taking the kickstand off. Love that. Number two, you don't even have to have it all the way open. You can just kind of set it up just like that. If you want it this angle, all the way to that. Not too many angle choices, but that's okay. It'll do the job when it needs to. Of course, like I said, in any which way direction you want, you can set this thing up and it'll work just fine. Of course, even like that if you want to. But what's really cool about this is when you take it off, it is a multi-tool. So here, first things first, you do have a little unboxing knife, right? So you can take this and take your package, unbox it, but it's not too sharp to where it'll cut your fingers, which I really like that, right? Then next up here, we have a screwdriver slash file. So you can use a flathead or a little file right there. And then also right here at the top, it has a couple other things. So I'm gonna take the knife for right now and just move it so that way I can open this up easily for you guys. So first things first, you get a SIM removal tool, which is cool. Sucks for us in the US, we don't have SIM cards anymore, but if you do have one, you have that with this one. And then also you can pull this piece out and you get a little saw. So if you need to cut something, let me see if I can get that focused on camera here. If you need to cut something, you do get a little jagged edge saw right there that you can use. So I love that this is a multi-tool. You of course can have all of it open at the same time. And it's really nice that if you need something like me, I get a ton of packages every single day. I get packages in from brands or things that I order for the channel, for personal stuff, whatever. I use this thing all the time. Since I've had it for like the last week or two, I've been using it to open multiple packages and it does a good job. Now, of course, it's not as sharp as a regular pocket knife or a box cutter or anything like that, but it's nice that it won't hurt you, hopefully, while you're using it to cut some tape, a package, whatever. So that's really cool. Or especially if you have kids, they get a new little toy, you can even use this little saw to kind of saw off some of the plastic to get it out for them. So really love that. And then when you're done with it, you just hide all this stuff back in. Actually, you need to have this file out. You just hide all this stuff back in. It has a little trigger right there that you can take and open it up. And boom, put that back, attach it to your phone, and then when you need it, you have it. So I really like this. Of course, the main thing I've been using it for has been the kickstand, but I have used the attachments in here. They're really cool, and you get some good magnetic strength with this as well, so you don't have to worry about it popping off of your device. But super cool little thing that Aulumu came out with recently. Lots of great features. I'll leave the link to it down below in the description. That way you can actually even see what all features this thing has, because I'm sure I probably left something off. But yes, guys, the Aulumu G05 Pro has been on the EDC, has been in the EDC, and is going to stick around through summer 2026. Now, next up, you're going to need a battery pack. You're going to want something that's kind of slimmer, on the slimmer side. It is summer. You don't have too much excess areas where you can carry all this stuff, but you still need that good power. And this is where the Baseus is going to come in. This is their new slim Qi 2 25 watt 10,000 milliamp hour charger. Now, just comparing it to something like the AirPods Pro, as you guys can see, this is what that looks like. Comparing it to my keys, that's what that looks like. So it's fairly slim, comparatively, depending on what you're talking or comparing it to. But anyways, here you do have your power button right there. Click that, and you do have some power indicating lights right here. As you guys can see, this is fully charged, and you just take it, go ahead and pop it up to your phone. There we go, we are charging. And as you guys can see, that little light lights up right there to indicate that you are charging. But of course, this is gonna be a 2-in-1 device. So you can take this, right? We'll go ahead and plug this up, make sure that's charging right there, and bring over our cable, and let's plug in our S26 Ultra. Make sure that's charging. Here we go. Boom, charging right there. While we are still charging, let me flip this. While we're still charging right here on the iPhone, both devices are charging at the same time. Also, of course, it is Qi2 25 watts. So what you know is that it's gonna give you fast charging. So first of all, it'll give you wired charging, which is nice, 45 watts wired charging. It is, as you guys can see, airline approved and 10,000 milliamp hours. But it also gives you that Qi2 25 watts of wireless charging. So we attach that, and it'll pop up and say fast wireless charging right here. Of course, it's not the fastest you can get, but fast wireless charging either way. So I really love this thing. I've been using it a lot lately. It has this very nice silicone smooth back. So if you're one of those risky people that carry your iPhone with no case, or your other phones, your S26 Ultra, whatever, with no case, this won't scratch up the back of it. And it's nice because you can set it down and it won't kind of slide away if you knock it over or anything like that. But definitely been loving this, been carrying it fairly often because of how slim it is, and sometimes you need that extra juice. Go ahead, plug it right up, and it'll give you that wireless charging. When you're done, unplug it, and a few minutes, it'll turn off by itself, and you are good to go. So I've been really enjoying this new Baseus Qi2 25 watt slim 10,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery pack. Now, last but not least, this is also one of the newer additions to the EDC, and this is a very special product because this was actually gifted to me by a subscriber of the channel a few months back. Greg, shout out to you. I've been loving this knife. This is a really cool knife. So this is a Leupold knife. This is made by Benchmade for Leupold. If you guys know anything about the EDC space that's not Tech EDC, you know that Leupold makes some really good sights and a lot of other products for certain 2A kind of products. A little hint there. And number two, it is a Benchmade knife. So you get the Benchmade quality of knife while still getting that Leupold brand on it. So this is a really cool knife. I've been extremely happy to get this, and it's also a limited edition. If you guys can see there, I have a limited edition. This is number 364 out of only 1,500 of them made. Now you're getting the 154 cm stainless steel on here, this very nice wood, this real wood handle here, the Leupold logo there. This is an ambidextrous knife with an axis lock here. So you can, of course, take your clip from this side, move it to this side if you'd like. Love to see that. Of course, the axis lock is on both sides, so it is a true ambidextrous knife, as well as thumb studs to open it. So you just pop it open. You get a nice jagged edge here if you need that, while getting the smooth edge right here. Love this knife. I've really been enjoying it, and it makes it even more special that a subscriber to the channel actually gifted this to me. They sent it to me. I've been carrying it. It's been really nice, and I'm gonna keep carrying it. This is part of the summer EDC layout. So that's been it, guys. What do you think about the EDC? Make sure you let me know. I tried to keep it as minimal as I could because it is summertime. You wear less layers, less bags, and all that stuff. So trying to keep it kind of minimal. But this is the EDC. This is the stuff I've been carrying and will continue carrying through summer of 2026 every single day. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Now, if you guys want to see my favorite charging accessories for the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the Galaxy S26 Ultra, if you guys are interested in that charger, just want to see some more specifically charging stuff, I'll leave those videos, one right here and one right there.